This is going to be a video product review and setup of the Vont Smart LED strip light. It comes in either a 16.4 foot or a 32.8 foot. You can connect this with Alexa and Google to light up your LEDs. This is for strip lighting. You get 16 million colors. You can sync this with music. You can put this around your window, around your TV, around your stereo. It comes with the string of lights, comes with some screws and pieces to put on the wall to mount the lights. It comes with your control piece over here. We've got 3 controls. We've got the jack that will plug into your AC adapter. I'm going to plug this in, we're going to power it up, and I'm going to show you what it looks like and how it works. This video is brought to you by Learning Chords. Very simple to use. I just plugged this into the wall. I plugged the connectors together. All the lights have come on right now. Let me dim the room a little bit so you can see. They're very bright. You have control over everything. We've got this switch over here where we can turn it on and off. We've got this switch where we can go through the different colors. It makes it very easy to do. We've got this switch over here to get different effects. And we can also control this with the Vont app. I've got the Vont app. I'm going to click on devices. We are going to add the 16-foot light strip. We've got the Vont. Now we are going to connect with Bluetooth. Confirm. Your smart strip is connected. I'm going to put in my Wi-Fi password. We are going to connect with Wi-Fi. So now I've got app control of the light. I don't have to use only this, but I can control it with the app. So we've got the on-off switch over here. We've got the different colors. And you'll be able to see the lights over here right now as I control the different colors. Let's turn off the light in the room. Absolutely incredible. So you're seeing the colors over here are the colors on the bulb and the colors in the display, but we can also go over to the color bar over here. And look at this. Is this absolutely amazing? 16 million colors. I'll leave an affiliate link in the video description. Click on that and you can buy this today and get a 16-foot light strip that you can put around your windows, around your TV, behind your sofa for accent lighting, made by Vont, the Vont Smart Light Strip.